Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, today I'm going to present interactive design GDT213 by me Nurin Syafirra binti Sharfizam from class KAD 1113A. The content is Project 1 Interactive Interface CD Learning, Mindmap, Sitemap, Logo Process, Interface Development Sketch Final, Prototype Video, Animated Development, Project 2, Website Interface, Website Development, Sketch Final, with Site, CD Packaging and CD Label, and Poster. First, we begin with Interface CD Learning. Mindmap. What is the use of this Mindmap? Mindmap is to share with you what my ideation for my interface. First, my content is the problem 1 statement. What? Physical distancing in kindergarten. Why? Kindergartner move around playing with friends. Doing activity together, chances for COVID exposure are high. The target audience for my interface is 4 plus years old. Why? Children immunity are so low that they will get sick easily. The color I use for my interface and character is a bright color such as red, blue, yellow, green, pink, purple, and a soft pastel. The concept and ideation for my interface is learning and play. The ideation start with button start, home info, sound credit, and quit. The character design I use is probably boy or girl with a cute animal on their side. Background, inside kindergarten or floral area. Play button, ready go, level up, game over. The content is learn about physical distancing to avoid COVID exposure. Play, do and don't, plus bonus play for full score. Language, I use is English default. This is the do and don't, but instead I change it into steps. So the kindergarten will knows how to learn step by step. Using my interface, I teach them. When in the same common space, physical distancing of 6 feet will be maintained. Teacher guide kindergarteners how to physical distancing. Tell kindergarteners to use hand sanitizer. Enhanced environment cleaning will be implemented as well as the frequent hand hygiene routines. Don't give people hung or high fives, but do send notes and drawings. Check body temperature before entering class. Next, we have Sitemap. In the first page, we'll have main page, have logo, title, and enter. Second page, we have home, start credit. Third page and probably fourth page, about what COVID and why physical distancing. Learn, let's play. Steps, we have 5 before you can see that. Settings, audio and info. Ending, play again, and text. Logo process, sketch, final. Interface CD e-learning, sketch. As you can see, there are 6, which is main page, home page, info page 1, info page 2, learn page, and step page. The same with this, but this is my final that I make using Adobe Illustration. Interface, AI progress. This is my interface. I use outdoor classroom and playroom. My character design using the beautiful girls I made, Ellie and Ain. The button is speech text bubble and button design. This is my prototype video. I use my iPad for replacement for my background interface. Enjoy!
Teacher, what is COVID-19?
Hi Ellie, this is a new virus that makes a lot of people sick. Doctors and health experts are working hard to help people stay healthy.
Teacher, where we had to do physical distancing?
Hi Aileen, we must practice physical distancing to avoid COVID-19 virus from spreading to others.
Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.
Okay, that is my prototype video. Now, we continue with animated progress. This is my main page. I use the text to put on button and logo. Audio I use for background, song and button. Home page I use text for button and logo. Audio for character voice and button. Info page I use text for speech and logo. Audio I use for characters, voice and button. Hashtag stop the spread. Physical distancing in learning is about knowing the impact of new coronavirus disease, COVID-19, is being felt around the world. We believe that we are better when we work together. It's important for all of us to take the necessary step to keep ourselves, our loved one, and our local and global communities safe and supported. Next, we continue with number 2, website. Website sketch have 5. Main page, home page, shop, and about contact. Same like before. Main page, home page, shop, about contact for website in Adobe Illustration. This is my weak side. Already done. Main page, home page, about, shop, and contact. Number 3, CD e-learning. The CD e-learning I made is CD label, CD disc, CD packaging. Continue with number 4 for poster. This is my front poster and this is my back poster. My front poster have the CD label on the front, and on the back we have all those details from before. The information that people can understand and people willing to buy it for their children. Honorable credits. Firstly, the character girls are by me, Nurin Syafirra. The character boy by Muhammad Hafiz. Logo by Muhammad Adam. Thanks to all my classmates. Special thanks to Madam Siti Virus. Hashtag stop the spread. Thank you very much.